curry oxtail served with some Jamaican style rice and peas. Did someone say if oxtails can be curried? Yes, oxtail can be curried. I have another video on my YouTube channel. Go check my playlist out on my first curry oxtail video. So I seasoned my oxtail and I will be frying them in a little oil before I start the cooking process. Listen, this takes a long while to cook. Oxtail is mostly bone. It takes a long while. I seasoned. I did not add any curry to my oil. I did use the curry on the oxtail, and I did not want it to have too much curry. So I allowed to get a little color. Then I added in some garlic and ginger in it because it's curry. And I did not use a lot of oil. And this took approximately 2.5 hours to cook. Curry oxtail tastes really good. I even prefer it to the brown or the regular oxtail style oxtail that we're used to as Jamaicans. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, this is your girl Shells, and I'm in the kitchen today cooking up a 5-star meal for you, prepping some curried oxtail. Please remember, around here it's free to give your girl a like. I'll wait a second for you to give the video a like. Drop a comment. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your support. At this point, it's like 1.5 hours in, and your girl added additional ginger and my green herbs and spices, scallion, onion, bell pepper, rosemary, thyme, lots of garlic in this. And I will allow to cook. I added warm water to this so that it maintains the temperature it is currently at. When next you see this, my oxtail will be ready for adding in beans. I'll be adding beans to this. This tastes really, really good. And listen, you too should and can try this curried oxtail. Added pimento seeds. I did add some cloves in it also. And bay leaf as regular. I add it to everything. It does give flavor and taste. I don't like a curry that is too thick. I like my curry a little bit runny. So the more thicker you want your curried gravy, then you add more curry. I love the level of this one so far. So here, my curried oxtails is almost finished cooking. So at this point, your girl started to add in some carrots and some Jamaican style butter bean, we call it. Here it has another name. I don't remember the name. Fall off the bone oxtail curried style. And listen, using a gas stove is expensive, but it makes the pot taste even more better. Your girl added an additional stick of rosemary on this. And of course, I had to add some little spicy pepper to give this a little spice. Look at my curry. There is the finished curried oxtail for dinner, and my gravy is the texture and the look that I was looking for. I don't like my curry gravy, whether it's chicken, curry fish, whatever it is, too thick. I also have curried fish on my channel. I have a regular curried fish, and I also did it with coconut milk. And I was doing some rice and peas. So I'm showing you my rice and beans cooking. And here is dinner served. Some rice and peas, a little potato salad, some broccoli and carrots, and some ripe plantains for Sunday dinner. Let me know what you had for your Sunday dinner when you see this video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support. It is greatly appreciated. It doesn't go unnoticed.